then after the delivery is over, immediately we have to receive the baby. So after that receiving, just we have to see about the abgascode. After abgascode, so first we have to clean the wipe the baby. If any other amniotic fluid or anything that we have to remove it also, and especially which baby we are doing that CPR means, and the baby is soon after baby, the baby has to be crying. So the baby is not crying means, so immediately we have to see about the that abgascoring, and we do about the newborn resuscitations. First what now, the tray containing, so this is that is face mask ventilation. This one is the different size is this size is mainly 1. So the one size is indicate about the newborn, otherwise the infant we will use this one. And one more size, the face mask ventilation, this is the 0 size. This size we can use for this preterm baby. And next one is this is the shoulder, we elevate the shoulder, the neck, and also this is the mouth sucker. So we remove that any other secretion from the nose and as well as the mouth. We remove the secretions. So these are all the main articles needed for the CPR. Let us we can do the CPR procedure also. First what we have to do now, we will do with the PSSR. So the P is nothing but the position. So while we receiving the baby, immediately we keep the babies in flat positions. So with the baby it's on the hypothermia, immediately we keep the babies in under the warmer. The warmer is the working conditions are not, we should be checked. So we maintain the body temperature, the normal temperature level, and we keep the babies in under the warmer to prevent about the hypothermia. So next we can move on to the position. Baby we keep to the flat position. Next this in the shoulder we keep under the neck. Slightly head we have to be elevated. This is the P is the position. Next we can do with the suctioning. P. Next S. S is nothing but suctioning. This is for the mouth sucker. In this mouth sucker we have to remove any secretion from the nose. So how much depth we have, we can send to the in the mouth means that is the 5 cm. 5 cm depth alone we insert into the mouth, and nose 2 cm we keep insert into the nose. This is the suctioning. We can remove the secretion from the amniotic fluid or any other meconium aspiration, we will do it also. Next we can move on to the P, S. Next S. S is nothing but stimulant. Stimulant because the baby is not crying, that we have to do with the stimulant. So what we have to now, we turn the baby and we have to just gently swipe the baby. So the baby is not, gently swipe the baby in the back side. So the baby is crying not, we have to see. And one more thing, we can foot end we can do the flick. So one flick we can do, automatically the baby can respond and reflex activity to do. So that same thing we can do. The baby is still, it's not responding to the stimulus. So what next is the R. R is nothing but we have to reposition to the baby in proper way. Reposition to the baby. So after the reposition, now we have to start to the in our procedure. Still the baby is not crying, then immediately we can start to the newborn resuscitation. So what we have to do now, first we will do with the face mask ventilation. So we cover to the mouth and nose. This is the neck for this face mask ventilation. The C-shape handle. We hold this one. We hold to the back. In the straight way we can give to the face mask ventilation. We have to give about the gentle pressure. So how now, that is the 5 compression we have to do. So how we have to calculate also. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. So within 20 seconds we have to do with the 5 compressions. After that compression, that the air ventilation, then we have to do with the suctioning. So we have to do with the suctioning. We remove that secretion from the nose and mouth. So this same way we have to do with that 3 times. 3 times we will do. When 3 times the baby is not crying, at the such if you are doing that compression, that time automatically the chest can rise. So we observe for the chest is rising or not. The chest is rising means the baby can able to do with the breathing. The chest is not rising means that we have to do with the next one. 3 times we have to do the 20 seconds. Then after that we call for the help, help, help. So yeah, that help rescue persons is come now. That persons will check with the heart rate. The heart rate is they will check by the heart rate. How we have to check now? The normal heart rate is the 100 to 120. 120 to 160. So in case of the heart rate is below 100 means. So when the heart rate we can check for the 6 seconds. 6 seconds we can multiply by the 10. So when we multiply by the 10, the heart rate is not improving means immediately what we have to do now? Again we have to do with the compression. This we have to do very very fast pressure. We can do it also. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. So this is the 4th time and 5th time we will do it. Then after its baby is not respond means immediately we can start to the medication. Medications for improving the cardiac output and the respiration rate. It's still the baby is not responding to the stimulus means immediately we shifted to the NICU. This is the newborn resuscitation procedure. Got it?
Yes.